After hours of learning, after countless practical exercises, if you've made it this far, I want to personally say well done. You've completed 9 comprehensive modules, covering everything from creating your first Word document to mastering advanced professional word features used in offices, businesses, and organizations around the world. Today marks the final stage of your Microsoft Word learning journey. Welcome to Module 10, Final Project and Assessment. This isn't just another lesson, it's your opportunity to put everything you've learned into practice and prove to yourself that you can confidently create professional Microsoft Word documents from start to finish. We will complete a real world project, review everything you've learned throughout this course, discuss your next steps for continuous improvement, and talk about your certificate of completion. So let's finish strong. All the resources used in the Microsoft Word Mastery series, including your certificate of completion, will be made available in the comment section. Section 10.1 Final Project. Throughout this course, you've learned dozens of Microsoft Word features. Now it's time to combine those skills into one complete professional document. Think of this project as your portfolio piece, a document you can proudly show to your employers, clients, colleagues, or even hide in your personal portfolio. Every great learner needs an opportunity to apply their knowledge. A musician does not become great by only watching lessons. A programmer does not become great by only reading code. And a Microsoft Word user does not become an expert by only watching tutorials. True mastery comes through practice. That's why your final project is designed to bring everything together. Your task is to create a complete professional document using the skills you've learned throughout this course. Project Option 1. As a business professional, you've been hired as a professional document designer. Create a company profile. Add a cover page, branding, tables, images, and professional layout. Project Option 2. As an academic professional, you've been hired as a professional document designer. Create a research project document. Add headings, tables of content, citations, and references. Project Option 3. As a career professional, you've been hired as a professional document designer. Create a CV and cover letter. Add templates, apply formatting, and also apply professional design. Project Option 4. As an office professional, you've been hired as a professional document designer. Create a multi-page business report. Add sections, headers, footers, and apply page numbers. Regardless of the project you choose, try to include as many of the skills we've learned as possible. Include the following: heading styles, page breaks, section breaks, themes, smart formatting, tables, images, smart art, tables of content, headers, footers, page numbers, references, captions, and professional page layout. Before we begin, here's how I'd approach professional document creation. Step 1. Plan the document structure. Step 2. Apply heading styles. Step 3. Insert your content. Step 4. Add images and tables. Step 5. Generate your tables of content automatically. Step 6. Review formatting carefully. And finally, export the document as a PDF before sharing or printing. Section 10.2. Let's take a quick look back at everything we've accomplished. In Module 1, we learned how to navigate Microsoft Word, create documents, save and manage files. In Module 2, we mastered text editing, formatting, paragraphs, and page setup. In Module 3, we explored styles, tables, images, and headers and footers. In Module 4, we learned how to apply advanced layouts, apply themes, and also learned how to use templates. In Module 5, we learned how to automate documents using find and replace, how to use the navigation pane, quick paths, and also learned how to create table of contents. In Module 6, we discovered some of the professional tools. These include Merge, how to track changes, and also how to apply document security. In Module 7, we became confident working with long documents, using heading structures, tables of figures, and indexes. In Module 8, we learned how to create interactive forms, record macros, and automate workflows. And in Module 9, we learned how to export professionally, share our document properly, and also print correctly. Take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. When this course began, you may have only known how to type simple documents, but today you can confidently create professional reports, business documents, research papers, forms, use mail merge and letters, create interactive documents, and much more. That's an incredible achievement. If you've completed every module successfully and finished the final project, congratulations! You've earned your place among confident Microsoft Word users. I encourage you to save your final project and keep practicing. Every document you create from today onwards will help strengthen your Word skills. Learning never truly stops. After mastering Microsoft Word, I encourage you to continue developing your Office skills. You can also learn Microsoft Excel, Excel VBA automation, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, data analysis, and learn how to use Office productivity too. These skills can significantly improve your career opportunities and workplace productivity. I sincerely want to thank you for choosing to learn with me. It has been an absolute pleasure guiding you through this Microsoft Word Mastery series. I hope you've enjoyed every lesson as much as I've enjoyed creating them for you. If this course has helped you become more confident using Microsoft Word, please support the channel by liking this video. Leave a comment telling me what you've enjoyed most about the course. Subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Office tutorial. Share this course with friends, classmates, colleagues, or anyone who wants to improve their computer skills. Every share helps someone else to learn. Thank you once again for being part of this journey. Remember, learning is an investment that no one can take away from you. Keep practicing, keep creating, keep improving, and never stop learning. My name is Raphael Ademo. Thank you for watching and see you in the next course. God bless you and goodbye.